Ensure that the band is in the middle of the foot, and ensure you're grabbing the tip of the opposite band. If you have a loop, place your thumb around the loop for extra safety. And the movement begins similar to the bird dog. The wrist and shoulders are stacked. The knees are stacked with the hips as well. Simply tighten the core, extend the hip and extend the knee while simultaneously bringing your hand up and back. This increases tension needed on the shoulder, as well as the glutes. All right, simply repeat the number of desired repetitions or duration, and then switch. Left hand, right foot, and vice versa.